Today, I am reviewing the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WiFi7 motherboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this motherboard for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're planning to build a high-performance PC in 2025 without breaking the bank, the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WiFi7 motherboard offers an outstanding balance of modern features, powerful performance, and future-proof design, all while keeping the price more accessible than flagship X-series chipsets. Built on the AMD B850 chipset, this ATX motherboard supports the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000, and even 9000 series CPUs, making it a fantastic choice for anyone working with AMD's powerful new AM5 platform. You're getting support for DDR5 memory, with 4 DRAM slots capable of handling up to 256 GB of high-speed RAM, ideal for multitasking, gaming, and productivity-heavy workloads. One of the key highlights here is the PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for next-gen graphics cards and ultra-fast storage. Alongside that, there are 3 M.2 slots, so if you're building a rig that needs high-capacity, high-speed SSDs, whether for gaming, video editing, or workstation use, this board is ready to go. When it comes to power delivery, GIGABYTE has equipped the board with a 14+2+2-phase VRM design, giving you the stability you need for overclocking your CPU while maintaining reliable performance under heavy loads. And the VRM M.2 Thermal Guard cooling solutions help keep temperatures in check, extending the lifespan of your components and enhancing long-term performance. Connectivity is another area where the B850 AORUS Elite WiFi7 really shines. It includes WiFi7, delivering blazing fast wireless speeds for online gaming and streaming. 4 wired connections. It features 2.5 GB LAN, making it a solid choice for users who rely on low-latency performance. You also get USB-C support, which is great for fast data transfer and connecting modern peripherals. Other convenient features include GIGABYTE's EZ-Latch, which simplifies the installation of your GPU and M.2 drives. Plus, the motherboard includes sensor panel link, letting you connect secondary displays or monitor panels for real-time system stats. Great for custom PC builders who like to monitor temps and performance live. And finally, the 5-year warranty means you're backed by solid long-term support, which is especially valuable for serious builders who expect long-term stability. Overall, the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite WiFi7 delivers excellent value, combining modern features like DDR5, PCIe 5.0, Wi-Fi 7, and USB-C with a robust power design and great thermal management. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading an older AM5 system, this board is one of the smartest mid-tier choices for 2025.